Last lecture we have discussed about the electronic configuration, but at that time we discussed the electronic configuration for the 21 to 30 elements, and after that previously 1 to 20, after that 21 to 30. But last time I discussed that I will discuss the electronic configuration of the ions also, but that was too lengthy, so I have decided to make another one lecture, that's why. So today we are going to discuss the electronic configuration of the metal ions. So in that also we are going to discuss the number of unpaired electron. That concept is very important because in D and F block elements there is a one question: what will be the dipole moment of this dipole? Not magnetic moment. So for that one, number of unpaired electrons should be known to us, that's why. Now see, we are going to start with the first element. Okay, there are 10 examples I have taken, according to that we will discuss. Now see, first one is that Mn2 plus. Actually if we consider Mn, its atomic number, see, Scutiva car mange, Feconicus, remaining 5 are there, means manganese having the atomic number, that is the 25. For that one, electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d5 will be there. Okay, so according to that, otherwise you can do one thing also. Here you can write that Scutiva car mange Feconicus. Okay, according to that it will be easy to remember. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. These are the elements, and what is the element symbol? That is the Sc, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and Zn. Clear? So according to that, so Mn, its electronic configuration will be like that. But if charge is there, then what we have to do? See, whenever charge is coming, either it will be because of gain of electron or the loss of electron. When there is a positive charge on any atom, it is because of loss of electron, and if there is a negative charge, then it will be because of gain of electron. Means loss of electron is there, means some electrons are removed from that one. Now see, if we consider Mn, its electronic configuration is 4s2 3d5 with the argon, but Mn2 plus is there, means every time we have to remove the electron. Which one is the outermost shell? I am discussing about the shell. Now see, here it is the third shell and here it is the fourth shell, means firstly we have to remove the electron from the outermost shell, that is the 4s. Now see, how much charge is there? It is positive, means we have to remove the electron. How much? 2, means we have to remove the 2 electrons, or there is a loss of 2 electrons. So its electronic configuration will be argon 4s. 2 are removed, means it will remain 0, and 3d5 will be as it is. Either you have to write the electronic configuration like that, otherwise if you are not writing 4s0, then also it is correct one, because every time we have to write the electronic configuration of the ion like that. That 0 containing not necessary to write. Clear to everyone? So once again I am repeating the point, listen carefully, because if one concept is clear, you can apply for the second one also. So this is the main point. What is that? If positive charge is there, it is because of loss of electron. If negative charge, it is because of gain of electron. That is the one concept. And next one is that if normally Mn we are going to consider, its electronic configuration is this one. Positive charge means 2 electrons are loosed, means that loosed electrons are from the outermost shell, and that shell number is denoted by that 4, here by 3. So which one is the outermost? Means that will be the fourth shell. So 2 electrons are removed from that 4s shell, and because of that only this much or that much electronic configuration will be there for the Mn2 plus. Clear to everyone? So here we have completed first example. Now see second one. Here Fe3 plus is there. Fe3 plus. For Fe, we have to write the electronic configuration firstly. Every time not necessary to write of the neutral one and after of ion. But for our practice, we are newly practicing this one. So it is very important to write the electronic configuration of neutral and after the ion. So see, Fe means its atomic number is 26. So if atomic number is 26, then its electronic configuration will be argon 4s2 3d6 will be there. How many electrons are there? Means loose electrons 3 are there. Positive means loss 3 means 3 electrons are loose. So 2 electrons we have to remove firstly from that one and one more we have to remove. So जैसे कि देखो अगर किसी के पास है तो उससे हम ले सकते हैं, अगर नहीं है तो हमें दूसरा वाला ढूंढना पड़ता है. वैसे ही यहाँ से immediately we can remove the 2 electrons, so it will become argon 4s0, but only 2 are removed, 1 is remaining. That's why we have to remove 1 electron from that 3d6. So here we have removed 2 electrons, so 4s0. 1 electron removed from the 3d6. That's why it will be 3d5. So instead of that 4s0, we can write the electronic configuration, that is the 3d5. Clear to everyone? Now see. Here we can say that Mn2 plus and Fe3 plus both are having the same electronic configuration. Means if we observe the number of unpaired electron present in that Mn2 plus and Fe3 plus, that will be same. See, here we have to write for this one. So for this one, if we consider argon, all will be the paired one. Only we have to discuss about this 3d. 5 orbitals are there, so I have drawn 5 boxes. Each one will carry 1 electron. So in this way, number of unpaired electron will be 5. It is for the Fe3 plus as well as for the Mn2 plus. Next, that is the Fe2 plus, and after that Zn2 plus is there. So Fe2 plus and neutral one. So here Fe, as we have seen, its atomic number is 26. So argon 4s2 3d6. How many electrons we have to remove? Here 2 plus charge is there, means we have to remove only 2 electrons, and that should be from the outermost shell, that is 4s. So its electronic configuration will become like a argon 3d6. Clear to you? Because if we are removing 2 electrons from this one, then no one electron will be in that 4s. That's why. Now see, for 3d we have to draw boxes, that is the 5. So each one will carry single electron. 5 completed, but 6 are there. So again first box will carry double electron, because after completing of the single electron of each orbital, it can start pairing. Now see, number of unpaired electron. In first one, paired. So 1, 2, 3, 4 number of unpaired electrons are there. So Fe2 plus completed. Now Zn2 plus. Zn2 plus, for that one we are going to discuss Zn, its electronic configuration. Zn, its atomic number is 30. In a last video I have given homework that how many unpaired electrons are there in the Zn, that you have to calculate. Now I will tell you answer also. So in this way you will get idea how I have found that one. So here argon 4s2 3d10. Because 30 are there, 18 plus 2 20, and in that 3d we have to fill up the 10 electrons. So for neutral one we are going to calculate, because in a last lecture I have given homework, that's why. So here 3d 5 orbitals, so 1 2 3 4 5, each one will carry single, and after that pairing will get started. So in this way, if we consider the number of unpaired electrons in that neutral Zn, then it will be 0. Hope so your answer is correct one. If it is not correct, then please try to understand this concept. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the Zn2 plus. Again that same concept. Firstly we have to remove the electron from the outermost shell. How many electrons? 2. That's why here totally 2 electrons we are removing from this one. So it will become argon 3d10. So if we calculate the number of unpaired electrons in that Zn2 plus, then see here d 5 are there. Okay. After that each one will carry single electron, and after that it will start pairing. But because of 10 electrons, all boxes are completely filled. Completely filled means each one is carrying 2 electrons. So number of unpaired electron is 0. So here Zn2 plus as well as Zn both are means both are containing number of unpaired electron, that is the 0. Next example is of the calcium 2 plus. Calcium is from the group 2 element. Okay, calcium, before going towards that I will tell you, calcium its atomic number is 20, for means argon. How much it completed? 18. What is the next? That is the 3s2. Okay, this is the electronic configuration of the neutral calcium. Now we are going to calculate the electrons for the calcium 2 plus. So unpaired electron will be 0 because argon already completely filled, and 3s only one box. So number of unpaired electron for the neutral one, that will be 0. For calcium 2 plus, what will be the electronic configuration? Because 2 electrons will be get removed from that 3s, so only argon will remain. That's why number of unpaired electron will be 0 for calcium 2 plus. So here we have completed fifth example. Next one is a copper plus. Copper plus. For that one, atomic number is 29. Okay. So before going towards that ion, we are going to write down the electronic configuration of neutral copper, because copper and chromium both are coming under the exceptional case. That's why. So here argon 4s1 3d10. Are you getting my point? Now see, its electronic configuration is like that. So what about the copper plus? For that one, we have to remove electron from that 4s, and its electronic configuration will be argon 3d10. When 3d containing 10 electrons means number of unpaired electron will be 0, because 5 orbitals are there, but each one will carry single electron, and after that pairing means n is equal to 0. Manganese Mn3 plus. Before going towards that Mn3 plus, we will discuss about the Mn also. Manganese means 25. Clear? So here for the 25, argon 4s2 3d5 will be there. For the Mn3 plus, we have to remove the electron, that number is 3. So firstly we have to remove the electron from the 4s, but in that 4s only 2 electrons are there. So firstly we have to remove from the 4s, and after that one from the 3d. क्योंकि अगर हमें 5000 चाहिए, but किसी के पास if they are having only 4000, then we have to take that 4000 and remaining, for the remaining amount we have to search another person, like that here also. Mn2 plus. So 3 plus charge is there. If we are removing only 2, then it will carry plus 2 charge. If we are removing 3, then it will carry 3 plus charge. So if we are removing 2 electrons from 4s and 1 from the 3d, then what will be the electronic configuration? It will be argon 4s, no need to write because all are removed. Here instead of 5 it will be 4. For that one, if we consider 4 orbitals, 5 orbitals, 4 electrons. So in this way number of unpaired electron will be 4. Clear to everyone? So this is the another new point. Next one is that Na plus. Before going towards that Na plus, we will discuss about the sodium. Sodium having the atomic number, that is the 11. Means here we have to consider neon. After that 3s1 will be there. Means here if we consider for the neutral one, only one electron is there. If it is losing, then it will become Na plus, and here number of unpaired electron will be 1. For Na plus, one electron that should be removed from the 3s, means its electronic configuration will become like a neutral gas, inert gas. So it will become n is equal to 0. As we know that in case of the inert gases, they carry number of unpaired electron, that is the 0. Clear? Because all electrons are in the pair form, that's why. So now last two example we will discuss here. So firstly, hope so you are understanding that concept, how to write the electronic configuration for the ions. Now it's time to discuss about the scandium. For scandium, charge is +3 and its neutral one, that is the Sc. See, Sc in that 21. For that one, electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d1 will be there. Okay? 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 1 21. For this scandium 3 plus, how much charge is there? 3 is there. Means we have to remove 3 electron. So 2 will be get removed from the 4s and 1 will be from the 3D. So its electronic configuration will become like a argon. Means number of unpaired electron will be 0. Clear to everyone? Now next one is the titanium 3 plus. Scuti in that titanium 21 at 22 atomic number is there. Titanium, for neutral one, electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d 2 will be there. 3 charges there, means we have to remove 3 electrons, 2 from the 4s and 1 from the 3d. So its electronic configuration will be. Will you please inform me that? So please, to write its electronic configuration, please write its answer in a comment box. Thank you all of you.